Hi and welcome to Web Design College. My name is Nick and today I'm going to show you how to output information to the browser using PHP. This is the first actual coding tutorial simply because no matter what you're doing in PHP, no matter how advanced, you're still going to want to output something to the browser. What I'm going to show you today is probably used the most when coding with PHP. I know that I use it more than anything, and it's really quite simple to learn and get the hang of. So, we start with the basic PHP tags, and that's just less than, $, question mark, PHP, and then question mark larger than. And these tags, all your PHP has to be within these tags, so you don't have to only have them once in a document, you can have them as many times as you want, but any PHP you do has to be in this area here, this area here. So that's PHP, these are the tags. It's similar to start HTML, end HTML, you know the drill. And all the PHP just has to be contained within these tags, so that your browser knows that you're using PHP, or the server knows that you're using PHP there, so that it can convert it to HTML. Okay, so what I'm going to show you first is the print tag, the print function, I should say. And you start off by just typing print, and it does what it says really. It prints it out onto the screen, and then you do speech marks, and you can do the single speech marks. Personally, I prefer to do the double speech marks simply because of another reason I'll show you in a later tutorial. But what it does is it gives you the ability to put functions into the middle of the tags pretty easily. Okay, so we did the double speech marks, and then write something like hello world. I'm only writing that because that's just the general first thing you always write when you learn a new function, when you learn a new language, and you save that one, and we'll just reload that here. Hello world. So there we go. See, it doesn't show this part here because before it's outputted onto the browser or onto the screen, the server actually takes away all the PHP and converts it to HTML, which is that's the reason you needed XAMPP, that's the reason you need a PHP server or to install PHP. Otherwise, what will happen is this part will all be outputted, and that's not the whole idea. Okay, you can also put HTML tags within your print function. There we go, hello world, or let's try another one. Let's just do a bold. Save that one. Hello world, and hello is bold. Okay. Now, the print function does essentially the same thing as another function which I'm going to show you now called echo. And personally, I use echo over print simply for a few reasons. Echo is a smaller word, so it's easier to type, you get coding done faster. But also it's been proven that echo executes faster than print does. So most web developers these days use echo. I just wanted to show you print first because there are other functions which are similar to print and do different things, so it's worthwhile knowing both. Like there's other ones like with arrays, print array, that kind of stuff. So it's worthwhile knowing both, but I would suggest using echo. It does essentially the same thing. I'll just show you. See, echo. There we go. So that's the end of my tutorial today, and I will be oh wait, another thing also is inside the echo tag you can't repeat these, and the reason for that is, you can see it is highlighted there, what it thinks is that's where it starts and that's where it ends. So if you had Nick says hello, you'd think that works fine, but what PHP actually thinks, I'll show you errors. See, syntax error, expecting, yeah. So what PHP actually thinks is that the echo tag starts there and goes, this is all being echoed, and finishes here, when we actually want it to finish there. So if you want to do this, you can either put backslashes, which cancel the next thing out, so that's HTML, or you can use the single dash, which is another reason I prefer to use the double dashes. And you can do it the other way around too, if you use the single dashes here and the double dashes here. There we go. See, and now that's the end of my tutorial, and good luck with trying it out yourself. It's a relatively easy thing to get a hold of in PHP, and good luck. And if you like my movie, please rate and subscribe. If you don't, that's okay. I'm not forcing anybody to, but yes, please rate and subscribe if you do like it. And I'd happy to email. Anybody can email me on nickkitchen93@gmail.com if they have any questions or anything they need to know about PHP, and also write in the comments any tutorials you might want to know or might want me to do. Okay, bye.